Welcome to the future of driving. This is the all-new Kia Sportage, a bold reimagining of what an SUV can be, where cutting-edge technology meets head-turning design, and every journey becomes an adventure. With its striking, futuristic exterior, the Sportage doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention. Sleek lines, a dynamic stance, and a design that's as aerodynamic as it is aggressive. This is the SUV of tomorrow, built for today. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Sportage's intuitive, tech-forward cabin is designed to keep you connected, comfortable, and in control. From the advanced infotainment system to the customizable ambient lighting, every detail is crafted to elevate your drive. But the Sportage isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, its advanced all-wheel drive system and responsive handling ensure you're ready for anything. And with a range of electrified powertrains, you're not just driving into the future, you're helping to shape it. Safety. That's future-proof too. Packed with smart driver assistance technologies, the Sportage is designed to protect you and your passengers, giving you peace of mind on every journey. The all-new Kia Sportage, where innovation meets adventure. The future is here. Are you ready to drive it?